On December 16, 2025, TSA flagged a traveler carrying multiple forged IDs and social security cards at an Albany region airport checkpoint. Deputies used calm, conversational questioning, allowing the subject to speak freely without invoking his Fifth Amendment right to silence. His explanations for forgotten IDs, a brother's documents, lacked credibility against 14 separate forged instruments in one bag.
Nothing. Just forgot something in my bag, and they said they stopped me for it.
Okay. Do you know what's with all the IDs?
I forgot them. I was supposed to get rid of them, and they just threw them in the bag. So.
What do you have them for?
They're old. I don't even use them anymore. They weren't left them. I just had them. I grabbed the luggage, and they were in there. I didn't take the time to take them out. My clothes on top of the stuff that was in there, and I just took the bag easily. My boyfriend needed me to come somewhere, so that's where I was going.
Where are you flying to?
To Pennsylvania, Scranton.
Which are they all you, or are they all somebody else? What's
the picture is me, but it's different.
So what's your name?
My name?
Yeah.
It's Quishon.
It's what?
Quishon.
Quishon. Okay. So none of these match up to you.
Yeah, no, I have my real ID.
Oh, you have your real ID?
I just use my ID to get in.
Yeah, can we see that? Is that what the boarding pass is under?
Yes, that's my name.
Okay. I just want to make sure. Any other stuff like that in the bag? Or?
That was it. I mean, I didn't even know what it alarmed for, to be honest. So.
Oh, I'm not sure. They just call me because they see it. There's all the different socials and the stuff with different
people.
Well, we gotta call my boss and then we'll go from there. All right.
Okay, so I'm gonna miss my flight.
What time is your flight leave?
5:50.
It's possible. I'm not sure.
That's okay. I just never seen that before. Like,
what's that?
Like they telling me one thing and then you take something out of my bag and touching my stuff. So you said it was a sharp object in the bag. Sure. I told you it was needles.
Yeah, I'm not sure how they came across the stuff.
Yeah, me neither. I'm completely confused.
What they say? Yeah, so we'll gather up all your stuff and we'll head downstairs so we can talk more and nobody needs to know what's going on.
That's fine.
Alright.
Do you have a boarding pass on you?
A boarding pass? Yeah.
Can we get the other luggage? All this luggage and stuff? I got it. Alright, so we're just gonna go downstairs, okay? We're gonna go to our office.
What's that? Yeah, we're good.
This is on my dick so bad.
Any other luggage? Did you check any other luggage?
I don't check luggage.
Okay, just to carry on. Here. I can take your stuff, right? So when we go downstairs.
Oh, you want my phone?
Yeah, I'll take all your stuff because when we go downstairs, I gotta put shit in our office. So.
Oh, well, we could do that when we get down. We got my luggage right. So what's the process once I get downstairs, you said?
So we gotta call our boss and then we're gonna go from there, alright?
Okay.
You ever been arrested before for anything?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, this way.
Are you aware if you have any warrants out right now?
I don't believe I do.
Okay. Just stop right there. Everything that you have on you, I'll take the phones and the bags.
Okay.
Anything in your pockets.
So let's just be clear for one thing before you take my bag. I do have $7,000 in cash in here.
Okay.
I'm just making sure. I don't want you to touch my money.
Everything's gonna be in sight. I'm not.
My keys.
Anything I can take the headphones too. Anything in your pockets here? You want to stand up? I'll just quick. I'm gonna turn around, face there. Pockets. Here, so you can have it. Oh, just take this.
Oh, you give me my ID back?
Yeah, we got all your stuff here. You're good. You can take your coat off if you want. So you're being detained right now?
Okay.
So we're gonna get
just
info.
read them as sure.
If you desire a lawyer but cannot afford one will be provided to you without cost. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you? Now that I've advised you of your rights, are you willing to answer my questions without referring? So
Did you put his ID back in here?
No, I got his ID with the.
Okay.
It's up to you. So you can answer yes or no.
Well, are you willing to answer questions? That's what he's asking.
I mean, well, it depends on what you're asking. My keys are right there.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna put everything right here. Well, it's it all depends on that's why he's reading you your rights. If you're willing to answer questions that we ask you, it's up to you.
Okay.
So yes or
Under Terry versus Ohio, the detention was lawful. Multiple forged documents linked to different social security numbers established clear, reasonable suspicion. After Miranda rights were read, the subject answered conditionally. Under Bergwies versus Tompkins, that is not an unambiguous invocation. Questioning could legally continue.
well, mainly it's going to be about the social security cards, the IDs. So okay. That's what this was. That's not.
That's my brother.
Oh,
That's,
okay.
no,
His
that's
debit card is in there as well.
okay.
We have the same exact account. So if you look at my ID, we have the same exact address.
Okay.
Okay.
He's 52289. I'm 51591. That's my parents' first son.
Does he know you have his?
Yes, he knows that. I have his debit card as well.
Okay. Is it okay if I just take everything else out of here just to
What
look?
are you doing it? So why would you ask me?
No. So I was just asking if it's okay.
Alright, so this is him right here.
Okay, this is, and then you said that's your brother.
That's my brother. His address is the same. We're born in the same month, different year, 2 years apart. Like, yeah, it's my brother.
I'll just call dispatch to confirm the other two things, and then we'll gather info. Then I'll call Sergeant. I know. Right now, I'm gonna be honest with you because I asked about those warrants.
Yeah.
I gotta confirm something.
Okay.
Do you know your social? I appreciate you being honest too.
Yeah, you can
What would I be lying for?
just get
Alright, I'll call.
e-justice fired up and you can start. Just run into that. Alright, I'll be right back. Let me just go take care of that.
Right. No. Well, he's only
Yeah.
That's why I was a little
Yeah.
confused.
Gotcha.
But I'm not. I mean, I'm not giving you a hard time. It's not that deep.
Yeah.
Like, that's what it is for real.
What'd they tell you?
He told me he was looking for a sharp object. So he asked me, was there anything in there? I said I have insulin because I'm diabetic. So I travel with my insulin. I had just needles in there.
Yeah.
That's what I thought. Like, you start coming through papers, pulling out folders. I know. So yeah, of course, I give me a hard time.
Every airport's different.
With that, like, everybody, I can't really take it. So I tell you to use my passport for all of that.
You said you were willing to talk to us, answer our questions.
Yes.
How'd you come about the social security cards?
What you say?
How'd you come about them? Like, did you find them? Did you make them? Did you?
I mean, did I find them? Did I make them? Yeah, I'm not. I need a lawyer. I'm not. So
Oh, okay. Did
Did I find them? Did I make them? They wasn't even supposed to be in there. So, like, that's why I'm just totally confused. But what other questions do you have?
I'm sure when I talk to our boss, we'll have more.
Y'all keep saying the rules.
Well, because we're just deputies, so we got to call out to our sergeant and let him know what's going on. Call the sergeant and see what he's thinking.
Before running.
Yeah, because these, if he just had them, we didn't try using them, but these,
He had them, but they're
yeah,
real.
yeah. So I don't know what. So
Hold on, wait. What? I had what?
So right now you're in possession of real social security cards, but you're also in possession of fake IDs, but you weren't intending to use the ID. Because like you said, you presented this ID to TSA, correct? Okay. All right.
That's not.
Yeah, no, like we're just trying to.
like I said, we're just looking into the social securities. That's all. Like so, that's all. Like I said, we're just being detained for that investigation, and then.
That's fine. Yeah, unzip it.
Well, TSA kind of just.
Fuck my shit up. Yeah, they probably was looking for what was in that bag. Like, I don't believe that date was going, that date was that bag.
So now you didn't want to answer some questions. Can I ask why you have them? Do you collect them, or do you just...
Honestly, like I told you, I forgot they were even in there. Like,
Okay.
I wasn't, it's probably something I wasn't thinking about. I was trying to get to have to move. I have to know.
Okay.
That's it. About none of that.
Where is he again? You're meeting him.
He's in Pennsylvania.
He's
I
in
had to fly to Washington to go to IAD.
Gotcha.
Another one.
Oh, yeah. Do you know how many you have exactly?
I honestly, like, to be honest, I just grabbed that bag to put my stuff in. You see it? The shit is literally came out of the dryer and I just threw it in there. That's what I did.
Alright, sorry. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Though. That's what they found.
It is, the warrants are confirmed.
Okay.
So...
Warrants?
Yeah, they're
Yeah,
saying
so-
we have warrants with other police departments. They want to talk to
What
you.
police department?
City of Albany and Guilderland.
Oh, I didn't know that thing. That's about like not appearing essentially from years ago.
Ah, okay.
City of Albany. Because what would I have a warrant in Albany for?
I'm not sure.
That's gotta be like some ticket or some shit. That can't be nothing serious. When are these warrants? Where are these warrants from?
I'm not sure. I just they said your name matches them, so
Okay.
they want to talk to you.
They want to show up to me?
Yeah, well, yeah, both the police departments. They need to either get with you in person or
I don't
something.
believe that. I think that they're gonna say what they always say. It's not nothing to put me up on.
Well, yeah, so we haven't reached out to them yet. That's all.
Okay.
But it's
But
one of
you
those.
just said they want to talk to
It's
me.
one of those things
I'm
where.
confused.
Well, because in the system it shows like, hey, reach out to this police department. They may want to speak with you. They have open case or something going on.
Yeah, that was like a probation thing.
Yeah.
I paid a deficit, kind of. Yeah, that was years ago. I'm thinking you're talking about like something.
Gotcha. Well, he's just saying. Well, like I said, I don't know what we're doing yet. He's just letting them know that about the socials.
Okay.
And
Should I
then,
call my lawyer?
What's that?
Should I call my lawyer?
I can't tell you what to do regarding that.
Okay. I'm just asking you, like, is it necessary? Do I need to call my lawyer?
If you did need to make a call, I can.
No, I don't.
Yeah.
At this time, I'm just asking
Yeah.
you, do I need to call my lawyer?
Like I said, I can't advise you on what you should do, or I can't tell you to call one or not to call one.
Sure.
Yeah, but I'm not a lawyer. You know what I mean? I can't tell you need to call one or to not call one.
Yeah, he said start possession of a forged.
Okay.
So,
Alright.
so our sergeant's gonna come down. We're gonna do some paperwork with you.
That's okay.
All right. All right. I'm sorry. What?
I said, what else?
What else?
So is he gonna get charged with it?
I think so. Yeah.
Okay,
so our
so-
sergeant, it sounds like you will get charged with the Social Security cards.
That's okay.
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 And then after that, we have to contact Albany and Guilderland to see if they want to talk to you.
That's okay.
It's a good chance they might just say, "Hey, come back on your own time."
Outstanding warrants from Albany and Guilderland provided independent grounds for full custodial arrest, separate from the forgery charges. The suspect was charged with 14 counts of criminal possession of a forged instrument in the second degree, a Class D felony, under New York Penal Law Section 170.25. The key lesson here: once Miranda rights are read, saying it depends on what you're asking is not enough. A clear, unambiguous request for an attorney stops all questioning immediately. Anything short of that is a legal opening officers are trained to use. For law enforcement, this encounter is a model of patience and procedure, calm dialogue over confrontation, evidence documented before charges filed. The deputies let the subject's own words build the case against him. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for more content.